Hey guys, how are you? I'm here to tell you about a wonderful product. What it is a microfiber towel. This is by McNett Tactical. It's an ultra compact microfiber towel. Basically what it is it dries like right away. So you could put this into your bag when you're done using it and it won't get the rest of your clothes all wet and it won't get that dirty mildew smell on the towel or anything else in your bag. So it's absolutely perfect for like the gym, and if you need to shower and you don't have a towel on you, something like that. If you want to shower at the gym and then use this, put it into your duffel bag afterwards or your gym bag afterwards, it won't make your bag all wet and smelly and gross. So my husband actually purchased this because right now he's in an academy and he has like gym during the academy, and then after that he showers obviously and then they don't like give him a towel or anything. He was bringing like a regular towel and he said that it would just make all the stuff in his bag like wet and gross, so this was a great solution to fix that. So this is silver performance, soaks up volumes of liquid, it has multi-uses, so it's a multi-use tool serving as a blanket, wind block, and sling. So I didn't even realize that upon ordering it, that it could be used for other things as well. So yeah, it's very soft material, very cozy, and I could definitely see being used as a blanket. So this is great probably if you go camping as well. Comes with a free and it actually shows you someone in like the army maybe that has to sleep outside. That's what that looks like to me with the camouflage outfit. Comes with free toiletry bag and 2 retention straps. And then let's see what the back says. Flip it over. Antimicrobacterial silver ions inhibit the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Dries faster than standard towels. Patented sewn grommets for tie downs. Then this is the size chart, and this is the standard issue towel. Shows you how big it is. So I guess this is really good for people that are in the army, because I keep seeing the army outfits on the front and back of the tags. Free toiletry bag, $5.95 value. Silver ions for antimicrobial odor control. Our towels are tools, emergency blanket, wind block, sunshade, sling, shima, absorbent wrap, etc. Customizable with black or color prints. See store manager for details. 2 retention straps, 2 multi-use retention straps, secure towel, gear or clothing. New features. Let's see. McNett Tactical develops innovative products for and in collaboration with tactical, military, and law enforcement professionals. Part of the McNett family of brands. See the complete line of products at McNettTactical.com. Patent pending. McNett, 1411 Medora Avenue, Bellingham, Washington. McNett Tactical is a trademark of McNett Corporation, copyright 2013, all rights reserved, product is made in China, and there's the barcode on the back, it says XL, extra large coyote microfiber towel. So the color is coyote, I'm assuming it's because it's the color of an actual coyote, and it's an extra large. And this has, I guess these are the straps that it comes with, came with 2 of those. And then this was the toiletry bag that it came with, so it's kind of like a nice added extra. So it's good, I guess, if you bring this to like overnight or something like that, or even to shower actually. If you have to shower, you know, like my husband has to shower at the academy, he could throw in his shampoo and conditioner, body wash, and anything, shaving cream, the razors, anything else he might need. And yeah, as you can see, it's a really nice warm blanket and towel all in one. This side is nice and soft too, feels like a light fleece. And this is soft. Both sides are really nice and soft, and it's definitely a good size. And it came all rolled up. This was the strap on the side. It says 35 inches by 62 inches, 90 centimeters by 157 centimeters, microfiber, extra large. Let's see what the inside says here. 100% advanced microfiber. Wash before use. Machine wash in cold water. A little hard to see this here. Machine wash in cold water with light colors. wash dark colors separately, hang to dry or machine dry with low heat. So there you have it, guys. Really comfy blanket and towel all in one by this brand, McNett Tactical Ultra Compact Microfiber Towel. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Everyone have a great night.